In this video, I'm gonna cover how you can promote your website with Google AdWords. You can advertise with Google AdWords, and now we are also getting a promotion of 2000 rupees. Let's open the AdWords. And here is the promotion. If you will pay 2000 rupees in the starting to Google, you will get a promotional code of the same value. So in the next month you will get your money back, and you can further advertise. Even you will not get this money back as a hard cash in your account, but you can use it by advertising. I am typing my friend's Gmail ID because I have already used this promotion, so I cannot do it twice. It is asking for the captcha, which is 259. Oh, it was wrong. 3813. Here's the coupon. Now I will use this coupon and will tell you where you have to paste this coupon to advertise. Also, you will get the same thing at your registered email ID, but I will not do that. So you have to take a login with the Gmail account, and the minimum credit value will be rupees 500, which you have to invest minimum. And the next important thing is, if you are taking the credit of 500 rupees, you will also get the credit. Means it's not anything you have to invest 2000 rupees in a go, so you will get the money. You will also get the money if you will purchase the minimum credit. Let's create our first campaign. Here it is. Here I can give any name. This is the important thing. The search network means it will only appear in the Google search results, which are these. Here we have some advertises. I want to just promote my website on Google search engines because this is more eye-catching and genuine. So I don't want to advertise to the third-party websites. It is already selected, so do not change it. Now we are getting a location. I just want to target a small city, which is Dehradun, because this business of cabs is going in this city. Language will be English. Per day budget will be 130 rupees. Alright, let's save and continue. There is some problem. Include display network. It is the same thing. I don't want to include display network, otherwise my advertise will also visible on the third-party websites, which I don't want. Now here it is asking for the landing page, which will be the home page of my website. And I will not give just home page of my website. Sanjeev Levels contact. The contact landing page will be more effective because the person will directly get the contact numbers and all the detail about the company. So my landing page will be contact us. You can do it any as per your choice. After completing your advertise, you have to fix this problem because initially you have no budget. Then you have to go to the billing zone and choose a country. By default it is India. And as we talked about this promotional code which Google is running for the first time for every customer, you can take up to 2000 rupees cashback for the first month. The 10 number will disappear when we will select the individual, and it will be my name and my address. The city is Dehradun, and you can, after filling this form, you will be redirected to the payment method. After making the payment, it could take up to 24 hours and it will reflect to your account and your advertise will become live. Primary contact basing. And do not check with this automatic payments, otherwise unnecessarily it will keep deducting the money from your credit card. Now let's accept the terms and conditions and complete the sign up process. I want to pay with the net banking, otherwise you can also choose this option if you want to pay from debit or credit card. Suppose I am taking this 2500 rupees credit initially. And I want to pay from HDFC Bank. Here it is the corporate account. Please remember this. If you will select the bank from here, and if you have the saving account, your transaction will be incomplete. So just look it once, and after selecting the bank in your saving account, you have to forward. If you have the corporate account, you have to choose the above one, but my account is salary account, which will come in the saving. And after providing the credentials of your bank, you can make this payment. This is from the bank side. You do not have to much worry about this. Now I got the deduction message from the bank, means I have successfully made the payment. And here you can also read this message. Then when the money will be added, you will, now I can close this window and it will reflect within 48 hours in this account. And in this pop-up you can you have to press this yes button because you have made the payment successfully. Now the yes button. Once the payment will be processed, it will start showing here and your advertises will become live. And the another thing which I have forgot to do, the promotional code, I missed it. Otherwise I will not get that 2000 rupees which is going under promotional. So under promotional code you can paste the same promotional code and save it. Now it will track my advertises and it will give me 2000 rupees cashback.